How to see Google Meet call history. So first, what you want to do is just simply go to the Google Meet website. So Google Meet, so I'm just going to simply search for it and click on the Meet button right here, or Meet option. I'm going to click on that, then wait for the website to load. And as you can see here on the left side, you will see the calls option. So just simply click on that and wait for it to load. And here you will see the section called history, which is basically your call history. And currently I only have 2 calls in the record, but for you, it might be different. So this was from 2 days ago. And if you want to remove like some part of your call history, what you want to do is just simply click on this 3 dot icon, which is the more options button. So if you click on that, there will be 2 options to pick from, which is block user and remove from list. So if you want to remove a certain call history, just simply click on remove from list right there, and it will automatically be removed just like that. And that is basically how you see your Google Meet call history.